Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me and for clicking into the video. So these are the Walgreens deals from a week of starting April 12th through the 18th. As you can see, I grabbed quite a few items here. I really do believe these are essential items, so I'm super glad I was able to get them, and I'm glad to be able to share them with you guys. So I did go to Walgreens very early on Sunday morning. I went before most people were in the store, so I tried to do all my deals. I try to go to stores, get my deals done very early. It's one of my safety precautions so that I'm not around too many people. So please guys, if you feel like you don't need these items, if they're not essential to you, if you don't need a coupon, I do not encourage you to go out and coupon. These deals will always come back around. Please stay safe and do what's best for you. So what I tried to do here is pretty much a spend deal. I didn't use any points. I did one transaction. I didn't use any points at all, because in our app, and I believe most people got it, I'm pretty sure almost everyone got it, there is, when you spend $20, you get 5,000 points. That is a digital coupon, that is a digital store coupon that it seems to be in mostly everybody's app, so you can go ahead and clip that to your account. I also clipped to my, or I didn't clip, I also had when you spend 30, you get 6,000 points. I had a paper store coupon, so that coupon printed for me last week when I did my deals. If you saw my video from last week, you saw that I did get that coupon printed out. That coupon did print for me last week, and so I wanted to go ahead and use it today. So here's the thing, I didn't know if both that store coupon that was clipped to my account and the paper coupon that I had would work together. I was just hoping to be able to use a more higher value coupon. I didn't expect them to both work together. However, it did, so I'm super excited and happy about that. It really did work together. So I was able to get my spend costs up to $30. So all this equaled $30. I'll explain to you in a second. And I was able to use both those coupons. So, oops, sorry, my batteries ran out. So yeah, I didn't expect to be able to use both of those coupons together. However, I was able to. Let's go ahead and get into the deals. So first deal I pretty much did was, besides the store coupons that I had, the paper coupon and the one clip to my digital app, on the Walgreens ad, there is a deal. When you spend 20 on certain items, you get 5,000 points. So it's very similar to CVS. When you spend 20 on certain items, you get like $5 in extra bucks, or you spend 30 in certain items, you get 10. Very similar to that. That is a deal that they had going on in Walgreens, is when you spend 20, you get 5,000 points. Now, what I grabbed from those deals are these two tampons. So these are priced at two for $8, and we have a $3 off digital coupon. I also grabbed the Always pads. These are also priced 2 for $8, and we have a $3 off digital coupon. And the last thing I grabbed with that deal were these gang flings. These are on sale for $4.99. A lot of people seem to have that $1 off coupon that came in the Smart Source. Give me 1 second, let me look it up. So there's a $1 off of Gang Flings manufacturer coupon from the April 5th Retail Me Not. I did not get that Gang coupon. I don't get Gang coupons in my region. However, if you did get that coupon, you would be paying $1 cheaper for this deal. So yeah, so these items right in the front were the spend 20, get 5,000 points deal. I went ahead and grabbed all these items. So my total for those items alone was $20.99. After all those coupons that I just mentioned, you would pay $13.99 out of pocket and get 5,000 points back, making your final cost $8.99 or $1.79. So again, I didn't have that Gang Fling coupon, so my total was $1 higher. So I paid $14.99 out of pocket for those items, and I got final cost was $9.99. Now, that is if you're only doing this deal, the deal of the products up front by itself. without using the other 2 store coupons that I told you guys in the beginning. So those other 2 coupons, the spend $20, get 5,000 points on any item, that is a store digital coupon. That's not from this deal. And then the paper coupon, the spend $30, gets 6,000 points. Again, that's not on this specific deal. So this deal, what I did was a whole different spend 20, get 5,000 points. So in other words, I got 5,000 points back from the deals, from the products that I just did in the front. I got an extra 5,000 points back because of the other deals that I did, and another 6,000 points back because I had that paper coupon. I hope that makes sense. So let's go and talk about the deals kind of in the back. Let me bring them to the front so you guys can see. The Ajax. These Ajax detergent are on sale for 99 cents, guys, this week. They are on sale for 99 cents. So I picked up 2 of them, and it cost me $1.98 for 2. Now, the reason really I wanted to pick up 2 is because I plan on using these as donation items. If you guys seen in my previous video, I am trying to donate. I want to donate 4 times this year, and something that I didn't have in my other donations was laundry detergent. So I really want to start stocking up on laundry detergent to be able to donate, and this was a great deal right here. I was able to pick up 2 for 99 cents. Another thing that I grabbed was these Palmolive dish soap. Again, the Palmolive dish soap are, it's not even on the screen, sorry. The Palmolive dish soap are, they're on sale for 99 cents. So I grabbed 2. I kind of did a mistake. I didn't necessarily mean to grab 2 of these. There's an Arm & Hammer deodorant that is 99 cents this week. And what I meant to grab that item to include it to these deals. Alright, hey guys, sorry about that. Didn't mean to cut off in the middle of the video. My battery's dying and my storage is getting full. My battery's dying, so I had to get those both fixed. Okay, so back to what I was saying. So yeah, the Palmolive is 99 cents. Again, I didn't mean to grab 2. I wanted to grab 1 Palmolive and then one of the Arm & Hammers that are also priced on at 99 cents. But I forgot that I wanted to grab the Arm & Hammer, and I was like, what was the second item I wanted to grab, or the other item, and I couldn't remember, so I just ended up grabbing another Palmolive because I could not, in the moment, I could not think. And I had left my notes home because I rushed out of the house to do these deals super early Sunday morning, so I didn't interrupt family time, and so I had a little brain fart at the store. Anywho, again, I grabbed 2 of the Palmolive, so it was $1.98 for both. And then again, like I said, I had a store coupon that when you spend 30, you get 6,000 points. So I needed to get to the $30 mark. What helped me push me to the $30 mark was this Purcell laundry detergent. So these are on sale for $5.99, and we have a $2 off manufacturer coupon that you can find in, let me check my notes. So there is a $2 off Purcell laundry detergent manufacturer coupon from April 5th, Retail Me Not. I paid $3.99 out of pocket, and when you buy 1 Purcell, you get 2,000 points back. So you pay $3.99 out of pocket, you get back 2,000 points. Your final cost is $1.99. So awesome deal for that. Okay guys, so again, my total before coupons was $30.94. After coupons plus that $2 register reward, I paid a total of $20.94, and I got back a total of 18,000 points. What? 18,000 points, guys, in one transaction alone. My final cost for all these items was only $2.94. For all of these items, $2.94 or 29 cents each. That is a killer deal, guys, right there. So very good deal, amazing deal, especially from essential items. I'm super happy that I was able to go very early in the morning and get myself these deals, especially since some of these items are going to be donations, so that makes me even happier. And to go ahead and show you my receipt, here's the Always pads, 2 for $8, the Tampax, 2 for $8, Ajax, 99 cents, Palmolive, 99 cents, so I paid $1.98 for both. The Purcell $5.99, and like I said, I had that $2 off digital coupon. I mean, not digital, sorry, $2 off paper coupon from the April 5th Retail Me Not. And then there's a Gangs on sale for $4.99. So here's all the coupons that I used. $2 on Purcell, $3 digital coupon for the Always, and the Tampax $3 digital coupon. And then that manufacturer coupon at the bottom, the $2, that's the register reward. So my subtotal was $20.94 for all of these items. And here we go, guys. Here we go. Look at that opening balance. Only $870. Very sad. But I got a total bonus points back from all the items I picked up was 18,000 points. And of course, I did get an extra $1 because of just the regular points that you get every day. I was already at that limit where I was gonna get an extra $1, so I did get 19,000 points. So my total again for me, even cheaper. My total again for me is even cheaper. So my final cost technically for me was only $1.94 for all of these items because I did get that bonus point. However, if you're just regularly doing the deal, you'll get back 18,000 points, and your total for all these items is $2.94, which is insane and crazy, and honestly the most points I've ever had. Alright guys, so that is all the deals I've done so far at Walgreens this week. I might be going back to pick up another Purcell and then also to pick up that Arm & Hammer that's priced at 99 cents this week that I told you I forgot. I didn't mean to forget. I think these would be really good donating items, so I kind of want to get those deals. So we'll see if we can work it into our schedule or not. However, I'm really happy. As you can tell, I'm really excited the way this deal turned out for me. If you guys saw my Walgreens video from last week, I kind of talked about how I wasn't getting Walgreens, I felt like I wasn't couponing right at Walgreens. And this week I felt like I did it, and I finally really understand. Like, to really get points and to really do good in Walgreens is by doing those spend deals. So those spend deals are really going to help you boost up your points. When you do the spend deal, that store coupon spend deal, plus the ad spend deal from certain products, and the 2,000 points in the Purcell, all that is what's helping me build my points. So I feel like those spend deals really, really help me, and I think that's really the key in boosting up your points so that you can start using your points to do other deals and continue to gain your points. So I'm really glad that it finally worked. Especially use those spend deals on items that are on sale. Like for instance, this Ajax was 99 cents. Good item to use that spend deal on. 99 cents for Palmolive. Very good item to use that spend deal on. And so many good food deals, guys. The food deals are incredible. That's another very amazing way to use that spend deal store coupon is on food items, especially since grocery stores are packed. They're running low on supplies. Not a lot of people are going to pharmacies thinking that you can buy food at pharmacies, and that's not really clicking in a lot of people's mind. So let that click in your mind, especially since those items are also on sale. So again, you're getting them for a good price because they're on sale, and you're also getting points back because of that store coupon. So like I said, I was able to use 2 of those store spend coupons. I did not think both of them would come out together. I thought you could only use one or the other. However, I had a spend 20, get 5,000 points store coupon attached to my digital app, and then I also had the spend 30, get 5,000 points paper coupon that printed for me last week. So that coupon plus the digital coupon did combine together perfectly fine, and that was what was able to help me make so much points in this transaction. So yeah, I'm excited for that. I'm really happy. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.